Hi everyone, in today's video I'll explain you the task loop in Claude Cowork. So, as I said in this video, I will explain you the task loop in Claude Cowork. What is a task loop in Claude Cowork? It is basically the thing of how Claude Cowork executes tasks, because it is using a structured loop with a plan, with a execute, with a steer, and then a verify. So I will show you how does it work in this video. First of all, we will go into Cowork, and then we will connect to a folder that I prepared for this video. So let's choose the folder that is in the documents, in my case with the name of demo. Of course, we have to allow our Cowork to change files in this folder, because this is the purpose of this video. And now I will show you that folder. So as you can see, I have some files with the log extension with a very weird names, file with a txt extension with a weird names, and maybe this ps1 files I also will make it with the weird names like this and like this. Why am I doing something like this? Because we will ask AI to refactor and organize this folder by type and rename it with the normal names. So this is what we are going to do with this video, and on that example I will show you how this AI model thinks when it is doing the things like that. So let's create a prompt at the beginning. So I will ask it to organize files in this folder by type. So we have the ps1, which is a script, we have txt, which is of course the txt file, and we have log files. So by type, rename, for example, rename them with, I will correct that like this, with consistent format, rename. Now it is correct. Rename it with consistent format, and maybe we'll ask it to generate a summary report saved as, for example, report.txt, like this. So this task, as you can see, includes multiple steps. And this is why it is a good example to show you of how the task loop works. So we have the first I would say, part of the loop, which is plan. So first, Claude will create a plan. It will break the requests into smaller steps, like it will group files, it will rename them, and then it will generate a record. And after it will execute this plan. So it will begin to execute the plan step by step. So when the first step was to group files, at the beginning it will group files. The second step in this plan was rename them. So it will rename them, and at the end it will create this record. In the first step, if it is verifying phase, I would say, Claude will verify the result by showing the completed changes and outputs. And what it may happen, it is a steer phase. During the steer phase, Claude may ask for clarification or allow you to adjust the task. So it may happen, but it don't have to. And now I will press this button in order to make it work. So as you can see, let me first take a look at what is in your folder. Good, I can see 7 files. Let me quickly pick each one to understand the content before I ask you a quick question. Most of the files are empty, just placeholders, but I have a clear picture. Before I recognize, let me ask a quick question. So you have a question. This is a steer phase, as I said. So how should I rename the file? So type+number, it is recommended. Date plus type, keep the original name. So we will use the type+number. And as you can see, it was finished. So at the beginning it was a plan. Second, the AI executed this plan. At the end it was a steer phase when he asked me this question, and at the end we have verifying everything. So we have this report. Right now we have a report.txt, and if I will go into this folder right now, as you can see, we have logs, log 001, 002, 003. We have scripts, script again with the numbers, text with the numbers right there, and you have report.txt that contains file organization right there, and the naming convention right there. So as you can see, this is how it works. Maybe I will make it a little bit bigger, like this and like this and like this. As you can see, generated at 5th of May 2026 in the folder document/demo, summary, total file organized, subfolders created, and everything is working exactly as expected. So this is the loop that I would say Claude Cowork uses. At the beginning it is verifying the folder, then it is executing what was in the plan. It can ask a question, and at the end it is verifying the answer and checks if everything works correctly. So that's all in this video. This is how does it work. If you are interested in more videos about Claude Cowork, you can leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.